Hello, my name is Peter Volney, and I started Concours in the Hills, which has grown to be the premier car show in Arizona. This year we had 1,200 cars and about 50,000 people. It's a charity car show. All the money goes to Phoenix Children's Hospital. This year we raised about $450,000, and over the last 4 years we've raised just under $1 million. The show is in the most beautiful setting. It's all on grass in a park around the lake in Fountain Hills. It's $60 donation directly to Phoenix Children's Hospital to exhibit a car at the show, and you can register at concoursinthehills.org. One of the things about this show is that it's all-encompassing. We have everything from the exotics and race cars, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens. We divide the car by sections, so in the domestic section we have muscle cars and hot rods and huge Corvette display. We had well over 100 Corvettes this year, and the whole idea about the show is for people to come out and not only see beautiful cars but meet other people who have similar cars. So many people have made new friends as a result of the show, and for me I think that's one of the biggest features of the show.